Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about break and continue. This is very important in loop. Okay, so let me paste it from the previous tutorial code, and here you can see I have run a for loop and I'm showing the value from 100 to 1. Let me change it. I'm going to change here smaller than or equal to, let's say 100 here. And I'm going to say here I plus plus. All right, so let's go and check the result, and here you can see 1 to 100. Let's say I wouldn't want to show let's say 7. I don't want to show 7, so here I'm going to give here statement that if I is equal to 7, here I'm going to say continue. Let me show you what happened, then we will talk about it. And here you can see everything is printed, right? We can see the output from 1 to 100 except 7. So 7 is gone, and this is the reason because of continue. So I'm saying here that okay, I have a statement, and there is I'm going to say that okay, if the I value is equal to 7, please continue. So what it will do, it will continue the loop once again. It will not come here in the next line. Okay, it will break the line here. I mean, not break, actually it will continue to the loop. So the I value is 7 and 7 will be not printed, and then it will go here and it will check that okay, I value is now will be 8 I plus plus, so the value will be 8, and then printf, then it will actually show 8. So the 7 will be not shown here. So now let's say 1 to show from 1 to 7 only. If I say here break, you can see that it will actually show only from 1 to 6. If I execute, and here you can see 1 to 6. All right, let me just cut it and rerun it, and here you can see 1 to 6. So what is the break? When I say that I is equal to 7, the break statement will break the loop here, so it will actually go outside the loop. So the print f for the I is equal to 7 will not be print because of the break, and it will go outside and it will find here nothing, and then it will find here return 0. Okay, the code is done. Then it will actually show the output, and that is from 1 to 6. So this is the main difference between break and continue. And let's say you want to break out the loop in a certain condition, then actually you can use break. And let's say you don't want to show something in a certain condition, then you can actually use continue. Okay, I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.